tiwala sa sarili.
Coach, yung peak years ng Ateneo na sa release yung kila Alyssa, wala yung batch ng Alyssa ng AKD. So, sa tingin nyo ba nandun pa yung sigla din na nag-iwan ng batch ng Alyssa, or sa tingin nyo ba may need pang magawa para mabalik yung dating spark and sigla ng Ateneo sa rivalry?
Sa ngayon kasi parang hindi ko nakikita yon, kasi sa ngayon yung Ateneo parang walang player, parang walang go-to guy. Yun yung nakikita ko. Kasi that time si Alyssa, bigyan mo lang lahat kay Alyssa eh. And nabubuhay na ni Alyssa. Ngayon parang walang Alyssa dun sa Ateneo. So, or even lang yung team ng Ateneo. Kaya distributed lahat yung bola. Kaya hindi mo masasabi na yung Ateneo, hindi mo masasabi yung Ateneo na hindi mo po pwedeng baliwalain. Kasi distributing yung bola. Before kasi si Alyssa lang talaga ba yun?
Oh, well, for me, syempre, every game naman parang we have that pride talaga na kailangan dala-dala namin as a lady spiker, kasi syempre yung legacy ni Coach Ramil, yung history ng mga lady spiker, syempre dapat dala-dala namin yun every game. With the difference lang sa Ateneo, kasi syempre we call that rivalry. So syempre, kailangan mas may dagdag kang pride, but may puso kang pakita na kaya pa rin namin panindigan kung anong napanindigan na ng ilang years ni Coach Ramil.
The same as what Angel said. When we play against Ateneo, it's more than just playing their team, it's playing against their school, and it's representing our school and the whole LaSalle community. So for sure there's an added bit of pressure and added bit of pride that we need to show in our